beautiful afternoon for a magical book talk on the Harry Potter series. We have with us Kabir Arora, who is a student of grade 4, if I'm right. 5, grade 5 from Shri Ravi Shankar Maharaj School, and he is a voracious reader. He has been reading a lot of books even at our library, and you will be surprised he has been reading about books by Devdutt Pattanaik and those kind of people. So it's really amazing to see a reader like him. Of course, the parents, especially looks like Sir has been really encouraging him to read. So today he will be talking about the Harry Potter series. Good to go? Yes? Okay. Yes, there you are. Yes, Kabir, over to you.
Good afternoon, friends. I am Kabir Arora, a 9 years old reader. Welcome to my book talk. I love reading books even more than watching movies. Do you know why? क्योंकि एक अच्छी मूवी आपको 3 घंटे से ज़्यादा एंटरटेन कर पाए, ये थोड़ा मुश्किल है. But a good book can keep you spellbound and glued to itself for hours and days. Although I have read many books, but the series that has always been my favorite is Harry Potter. आप में से कितने लोगों ने हैरी पॉटर देखी है या पढ़ी है? पता है, इस किताब का ऐसा जादू है कि हर उम्र के इंसान को बांध के रख सकता है. This book was published in 1997, यानी कि जब मेरे पापा मेरी उम्र के थे. वो भी इस किताब को इसी शिद्दत से पढ़ते थे जिस शिद्दत से मैं पढ़ता हूँ. तो चलिए आज का बुक टॉक शुरू करते हैं. इस कहानी में जादू की छड़ी है, वीजली की घड़ी है और बातें तो बहुत बड़ी बड़ी है. एक इविल सोल है जो सब कुछ खत्म करने पे अड़ी है, और एक छोटा सा बच्चा है जिसे उसे रोकने की पड़ी है. ये कहानी सिर्फ जादू की ही नहीं बल्कि जज्बे की भी है. ये कहानी सिर्फ हैरी पॉटर की ही नहीं, उसके साथ साथ उसके दोस्तों की भी है. वो दोस्त जो उस पर अपनी जान लुटाने को हमेशा तैयार रहते हैं. चलो कहानी शुरू करने से पहले मिल लेते हैं हैरी के खास दोस्तों से. He is Ronald Weasley, हैरी का खास दोस्त रॉन. इसके बाल थोड़े लाल हैं पर लड़का कमाल है. जादू में थोड़ा कमजोर है पर दोस्ती में कमाल है. और ये है हरमाइनी ग्रेंजर, लड़की पढ़ाकू है, बहुत लड़ाकू है. इसके पेरेंट्स मगल्स हैं. मगल्स मतलब जिनको मैजिक नहीं आता. इसके पेरेंट्स मगल्स हैं, बट ये किसी भी सो कॉल्ड और ब्लड से ज्यादा मैजिक जानते हैं. ये तीनों मिलकर किसी भी मुसीबत का सामना करने की हिम्मत रखते हैं. Their biggest strength is their friendship and दूसरे पर कुछ भी गुजारने का जज्बा. ये तीनों स्टूडेंट्स हैं एक खास स्कूल के जिसका नाम है हॉगवर्ट्स. The school is for young wizards, not only those who are the kids of magicians, but also those who are kids of muggles. The story is majorly a fight between two schools of thoughts. One who thinks that only magicians should be allowed to study magic. This school of thought plans to kill all muggles and rule upon the world. The second school of thoughts treats everyone as equal. This story is mainly a fight between those two schools of thoughts. The story starts with Harry receiving an admission letter from Hogwarts by a magical owl, and moves forward with Harry reaching school on the famous Hogwarts Express. 9:45 से चलती है। जिन्होंने हैरी पॉटर बुक पढ़ी है उनको तो पता ही होगा, इधर प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 9, इधर प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 10, बीच के बैरियर में प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 9:45। और अगर ये ट्रेन गलती से मिस हो जाए तो स्कूल पहुंचने के लिए वीजलीज की फ्लाइंग कार ही काम आती है। इस स्कूल की किताबें और दूसरा सामान मिलता है डियागोनली या पॉपुलरली नोन एज छूमंतर गली से। The school has 4 houses named after the 4 great wizards who were also the founders of Hogwarts, named Godric Gryffindor of Gryffindor, Raveena Ravenclaw of Ravenclaw, Helga Hufflepuff of Hufflepuff, and Salazar Slytherin of Slytherin. और पता है हॉगवर्ट्स में सब्जेक्ट कौन से हैं? ट्रांसफिगरेशन यानी कि एक चीज को दूसरी चीज में जादू से बदल देना, चार्म्स यानी कि जादू के मंत्र, डाइविनेशन यानी कि स्टार गेजिंग, क्रिस्टल गेजिंग और टी लीफ चेक करके फ्यूचर को गेस करना, मैजिकल पोशंस, डिफेंस अगेंस्ट द डार्क आर्ट्स मतलब डार्क क्रिएचर्स के अगेंस्ट डिफेंस, हर्बोलॉजी यानी कि मैजिकल प्लांट्स की केयर करना सीखना, केयर ऑफ मैजिकल क्रिएचर्स। पता है कौन से क्रिएचर्स? ये वाले थेस्ट्रल्स, हाउसेल्स, हमारा प्यारा डॉबी, फ्लफी, द 3 हेड और यहाँ गेम्स भी बहुत हैं और सबसे फेमस गेम है क्विडिच। झाड़ू पर उड़कर उड़ती हुई बॉल्स को मारना होता है, उनसे बचना होता है और उन्हें पकड़ना भी होता है। इस स्कूल को चलाते हैं इसके हेडमास्टर एल्बस डम्बलडोर एंड ही इज असिस्टेड बाय प्रोफेसर मिनर्वा मैकगोनागल। जब भी स्कूल या जादुई दुनिया पर कोई मुसीबत आता है तो अपने डर से ऊपर उठकर उस मुश्किल से लड़ते हैं हैरी और उसके दोस्त। फिर वो मुसीबत चाहे लेस्ट्रेंजेस हो या मैलफॉयज, क्विरल हो या टॉम रिडल, डिमेंटर्स हो या खुद लॉर्ड वोल्डेमॉर्ट। तो दोस्तों कुल बात इतनी है कि द ग्रेट ऑथर J.K. Rowling has envisioned and write the book in such a way that जब आप ये बुक पढ़ते हो तो सब कुछ होता हुआ दिखने लगता है। एक बार तो मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ, मुझे सपना आया कि मेरे लिए हॉगवर्ट्स का एडमिशन लेटर आ गया और जब तक ये सपना सच नहीं होता तब तक मैं अपने स्कूल में ही थी। तो ये बुक टॉक एंड हो उससे पहले मैं आपको थोड़ा सारी बुक्स के बारे में बताना चाहूंगा। बताओ? हैरी पॉटर एंड द फिलोसोफर्स स्टोन। पहली बुक फिलोसोफर स्टोन एक ऐसा स्टोन है जिससे एलिक्सिर ऑफ लाइफ बनता है। वोल्डेमॉर्ट इसको यूज करके वापस बॉडी में आना चाहता था। The story revolves around how Harry and his friends can save Philosopher's Stone and delay Voldemort's return. Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. Second book. Godric Gryffindor and Salazar Slytherin. Helga Hufflepuff and Raveena Ravenclaw. These two were the bestest of friends. But one day, a fight broke out between Gryffindor and Slytherin. Slytherin wanted only magicians' kids to study in Hogwarts, whereas Gryffindor said that the kids who show signs of magic can study in Hogwarts, whether they are Muggle-born or Wizard-born. Salazar Slytherin had built a chamber in the school. He said that one day the heir of Slytherin would arrive, open the chamber, unleash Slytherin's monster and kill all the Muggle-borns. With this, he went out of Hogwarts and never returned. This story revolves around how Harry and his friends can discover They retreat to the Chamber of Secrets and kill the Slurging's monster and again delay Voldemort's return. Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. Third book. Azkaban is a wizarding prison whose guards are Dementors. Wherever there are Dementors, there is no happiness. If a person comes near a Dementor, his happy memories will he will forget his happy memories temporarily, and his worst memories will come to his mind. The Dementor's worst weapon is their kiss. They can suck out the soul of the person with their kiss. After the Dementor's kiss, the person lives but without their soul. The person just exists. The story revolves around how can Harry save his godfather, Sirius Black, from Dementors. Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire. Fourth book. Hogwarts is hosting the Triwizard tournament. Harry Potter enters the tournament along with 3 more competitors. When he reaches the middle of last level, the Triwizard trophy turns out to be a portkey. A portkey is anything that can take you to another place in just a second. Harry sees Voldemort coming back to a body. This story revolves around how can Harry escape from Voldemort. Harry Potter and the Order of Phoenix. The Order of Phoenix is a secret agency created by Albus Dumbledore. This agency wants to finish Voldemort and is against him. The story is about how the Order will help Harry in killing Voldemort. Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince. In this year, Harry understands about Voldemort's Horcruxes. Horcruxes are things that are made by dark wizards who want to be immortal. They are made by murdering someone. After murdering, they use a kind of spell from which they tear their soul and keep one part of the soul in another object. In last, a very important person sacrifices himself for the world. Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows. This is the final fight between good and evil. Harry and Voldemort. Will Harry kill Voldemort or will Voldemort kill Harry? To know this, you will have to read J.K. Rowling's masterpiece, Harry Potter. Now, हमें बुक टॉक एंड करें उससे पहले आपको हम एक क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन रख लेते हैं. कोई डिस्कशन या क्वेश्चन आंसर करना है तो आप कर सकते हैं. कोई क्वेश्चन? कोई भी?
Yes.
In Deathly Hallows, when Harry is about to kill Voldemort or Voldemort is about to kill Harry, they fight and Harry shows his bravery by saying that no one will come in front of him this time. So that is my favorite part.
If you all have any questions, you all can also ask. Any of you.
What is your favorite character?
My favorite character is Albus Dumbledore.
What do you like about him?
Because he is very brave.
Kabir, why should every child read this series of Harry Potter?
Because this series, when we read this, we can see what pictures start to form in our mind. We should also read this because this reading is fun.
What abilities you have developed through this book reading?
Means?
When you read books, what happens? What good things happen into you? Why should someone read also? Read books. Reading क्यों important?
Any book.
We should read books because we should take the hero's qualities like bravery.
Okay.
But that can be done from the movies also. Then why just books?
Because while watching movies, our eyes hurt so. And movies aren't the perfect things what books tell.
People are saying book is a best friend. Why?
Because book teaches us a lot of things.
Like, what does book teach us? What did Harry Potter teach?
Every book teaches us, in every book, good wins over evil. And good has some values. Harry Potter taught me the values.
Nice.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kabir. I think he really deserves a good round of applause. One thing that the reading has done to him is he's able to speak, right? He's able to speak in full sentences. He's able to express himself so well, right? And he's able to comprehend. Like इतना बड़ा book है, उसको उन्होंने आधे घंटे में रखा, है ना? तो comprehension हो पाया, right? So reading also helps you in building the vocabulary, in expressing yourself, as well as you can kind of comprehend better. Anybody who has read Harry Potter series, can you tell a little bit about what you learned from and which is your favorite part? Come here. Oh, he's come up with please come.
I learned from Harry Potter that I learned from the characters of the book that how to be brave and how to keep your friendship and how to keep your friendship and how important is friendship.
Who has read Harry Potter?
Yeah, I have not read but seen the movie.
Come.
From Harry Potter, I learned that we should not panic in situations that are very difficult.
Anybody else who has watched a Harry Potter movie and wants to say something? Is there something that you feel like, how is this possible? Or something like that? Anybody? Anybody from the parents and the audience over here? If you all want to say something. Ma'am, would you like to say a few words to Kabir? You are from the school, yes.
Excellent exposure to you, Vikram. Really feeling great when we actually saw you expressing a mini Harry Potter we are seeing in you. Actually. And you won't believe the students they are here, they have got free from 12:30 just to meet you. They are waiting here. Their parents also will come to pick them. So they also were very excited to see someone. Ma'am, Central Library में शीतल मैम ने book talk किया. हमारा जितना boy है, we definitely would like to go and meet them. So they are quite all here seeing the audience, but they are absolutely excited meeting you, seeing you, and visiting Central Library. So thank you so much for the opportunity, Sheetal ma'am, which you have given it to the students, and Kabir, real good. Even we felt that, oh wow, really good. So thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Yes, sir, if you would like to just share your views to Kabir, and also how you actually got him to read as a habit.
Okay, in that case, I'll take a few minutes from you guys because बहुत दिन बाद मुझे mic मिला actually, so I would say something. So first of all, I would like to thank the management over here, especially ma'am, कि आपने कबीर को ऐसा मौका दिया he can come over here and say something and speak something at least, and that too about book talk. That was मतलब We couldn't even think of कि इस उम्र में ऐसा मौका इसको इतनी आसानी से मिलने वाला है कहीं पर, but we are grateful for that. As far as reading is concerned, I don't want to boast about that, but actually the kids learn from the parents. जब ये छोटा था, I used to prepare for UPSCs. वो मुझे पढ़ते देखता था, बुक्स देखता था. His mother used to prepare for some exams. तो उनको पढ़ते हुए देखता था, तो he used to pick up newspaper, books, वो तब से उसके चलता जाता था. And then ये books इसने यहाँ गुजरात में आके पढ़ना शुरू किया ज़्यादा, because he didn't have many friends over there, because language issue था, शुरू में barrier था. We started reading those books. फिर धीरे-धीरे मुझे भी नहीं पता वो कब घुसता चला गया books के अंदर. rather अभी वो condition है कि it is easier to pull him off mobile than to pull him from a book. If he is into a book, he is into it.
Very nice.
So बाकी reading has taught him a lot. The changes that I can see after he started reading, he has become more patient, more calm. बहुत जल्दी से परेशान नहीं होता. He starts thinking about solutions rather than problems. The moment he faces some problem, पहले भी होता था, प्रॉब्लम जल्दी आती थी, परेशान होता था, but over last few months जब से उसने इसको पढ़ना शुरू किया है, he has started thinking about solutions. This is what reading does to everyone. It is what reading has done to me also. It is what reading does to everyone. आप किसी को भी बुक दे दीजिए, आप उसे सिर्फ बुक्स देके पढ़ाने बैठा दीजिए, कोई भी बुक हो, कैसी भी बुक हो, he will get patient, because आपको एक बुक को कवर टू कवर खत्म करने में जितना वक्त लगता है, that itself makes you patient. So that is something which I would love कि हर बच्चे में होना चाहिए. At least we need these things. मेरी बेटी में नहीं है, बेटे में है, because अभी मैं नहीं पढ़ता हूँ. So that may be the reason. Hopefully she also starts learning from him. But at the end, I would like to thank you very much. इससे अच्छा मौका हमें शायद नहीं मिल पाता. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. See, at this age, like the parents have to encourage, at the same time work with them, and I think that is what you all have done. What I really liked about Kabir and how I discovered Kabir was the first time he came to meet me, he came on his own. Okay, and that was something like, you know, I said, he said, "Ma'am, may I come in?" And I said, "Yes, better." Then I asked him like, "Ki aap kaun hai?" Then he, you know, kind of told me that I am so and so madam's son, and I was like very happy, because I think I had told Ankita, let him come and let him discover me. That's what we had discussed. उसको बोलिए कि मुझे आके मिले. वो देवदत्त पटनायक को पढ़ते हैं. I have seen him. देवदत्त पटनायक. Amish. Okay. But I think he has started reading Amish also.
He has completed it.
And he is the author of the month for us. So you have all Amish's collection over here put up for you. Okay. So thank you everyone again for joining us. I request Acharya sir to say a few words and yeah, and please honor Kabir with the certificate.
First of all, I should give congratulations to parents and library itself, Hartman University. For parents, it is one kind of art of parenting. We are giving lots of advice. Instead of that, what we do and what we did in day-to-day life, the students and children are always observers. On that ground, he or she will develop that or cultivate that habit. And congratulations to the library, Sheetal Madam and team, giving him a platform. Number of times students are having very good potential, but in a very rare chance they are getting the platform. So congratulations Kabir, way in which he has presented, that is one thing, but his maturity and body language is really marvelous. Congratulations again. Thank you.